All right, we maxed her out. Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Insta360 GPS Action Remote. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. Here are all the contents. First up, we have our product literature consisting of our compliance information and our user guide and manual. Next, you'll see we have two different straps. One's going to be a wrist strap for you to wear. The second one's going to be an invisible selfie stick strap if you want to attach this to an accessory. Next, we have our USB Type A to Type C charging cable. Lastly, we have the tracker itself with the big red shutter button front and center. You'll see our display here. Get a feel for the side profile, the top. The bottom has our USB Type C charging port under there if you peel that back. On this side, you'll see two control buttons, our power button and our mode button to cycle between if you want to take a photo, video. Very back, you'll see we have our Insta360 branding, and we can add our straps right there depending on how we want to mount this. Now let's go ahead, let's charge it up and try it out. So to get everything set up, we have our remote powered on as well as our X3 camera. We've swiped down from the top to reveal our menu here. Where we want to hit that remote icon, it's going to look for Bluetooth remotes. So on our remote right here, let's go ahead, let's hit our pair new button. You'll see we're showing the device already here that we can connect to. So here we go. Now they're going to work on connecting with each other. All right, the remote was successfully connected. You'll see that it's linked right here. That's great. And now we'll wait for it to catch up on the remote itself. And now you'll see the remote is connected. Now, to be honest here, it took me a couple of tries. I'm not really sure what happens in this whole process. It recognizes it just about every time on the camera, but then nothing changes on the remote. But I kept trying it, and then ta-da, you'll see that it works right here. So I'm not sure why that's the case. So once you get it connected, just leave it and don't touch it ever again. So with the remote connected, we can use the side button up at the top to cycle through our different settings here. Loop record, you'll see photo, video, time shift, and back to loop record. Then we can just choose our mode, and then we can just snap a quick photo like that. We enter into the mode, then we take a photo, lets you know it's capturing. I'll show you too how that works for video. So we're going to enter into video mode. It's loading on our camera, and then you'll see it's going to start recording right here. There's a slight little delay, right? And now you'll see it's recording. And then we can stop recording, but very quick and responsive. So basically, get all the settings dialed in on your camera, then you can use this to toggle between the different modes, and then quickly press that red button to capture your content. So I'm wearing the remote on my wrist right here, and what better way to test out our GPS with our speed than to ride this electric scooter. This footage is being captured on the Insta360 X3 if you couldn't tell. Let's go ahead, let's have a ride. So overall, this is just a simple remote that works. Now in the future, I'd love to see some added functionality to this. I'd say it's pretty limited, and I think they're missing a big opportunity to actually display those specs in real time here, or give us the option to press a button and cycle between our speed, distance, things like that. So I'd love to see something like that built into this in the future. I think it'd make it way more useful. Now, again, you can find out all the information after the fact when you go in to edit your videos, but it'd be nice to be able to have some real-time monitoring right here, especially when you're wearing it on your wrist.